If you're me, sometimes your clothes can get a little bit stinky. Luckily here in Res we have a way to alleviate those tough social situations that stinky clothes can provide upon our lives. In this video we will show you how to find the laundry rooms, how to pay for your loads, how to use the machines, and how to sort your clothes to lengthen their lifespan. In the Trafalgar 1 residence there's a laundry room on each floor, each equipped with 3 washers and 3 dryers. In Trafalgar 2 residence, there's a laundry room located on floors 2 and 5 with double the washers and dryers. In every laundry room, there is a pay station on the wall. To pay, you will need to use your Sheridan 1 card. To put money onto your Sheridan 1 card, all you have to do is pay online or pay in person at the Sheridan 1 card office in the B wing. Start by putting your laundry inside the machine. Close it up and make your way over to the pay hub. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your Sheridan 1 card and tap or swipe. Next, enter the machine you're in. In this case, we will have 3, and we will click Enter. Also, don't forget, if you're using either powder or pods, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the powder or pods directly into the machine. If you're using any detergent or softener, place it over here in the sliding door. To start the laundry machine, press Start. We recommend that you set a timer for your clothes. This way you don't hold up residents that are trying to also get their laundry done. If you haven't done laundry before, you may think it's as simple as putting your clothes in the machine and running it. Unfortunately, things aren't that simple, and depending on what it is you're washing, you may need to take special care. This might be as simple as sorting loads into whites, darks, and colors when you can. Some clothes may need to be hand washed in order to avoid losing quality from being agitated by the washing machine. If you're unsure of a piece's clothing-specific care instructions, you can check its label, usually sewn on the inside of the garment. As soon as your clothes are done in the washing machine, it's as simple as transferring them over to the dryer. Your next steps are just as easy as they were in the washing machine. Tap your card, choose your settings, and click the green Start button. One thing to note is as soon as you're done with your washing machine, make sure that the door is open. This way, mildew doesn't grow inside and stink up the place. If you have any questions pertaining to our laundry services, feel free to ask any of our RAs. We're looking forward to seeing you soon.